Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I'm going to get to walk you through an all-new boat from Boston Whaler. This is our first one that we just got into stock, the all-new 210 Vantage. So the 210 is obviously a 21-foot boat. The Vantage is a dual console boat. It's great for this area that we live in. So let's take a look. For 21 feet, this is a very big boat, nice and deep, just like what Whaler does. Whaler makes a very, very solid boat. Also, just want to point out the trailer is included with this boat. We do a lot of trailering here in this market, so it's a great option to have with it. Obviously with Whaler, you're going to get the outboard. This is a Mercury. This is a 250 horsepower V8 with the stainless steel prop. This is going to be an absolute fun boat to drive with this engine on the back. Plenty of power to do any sort of just cruising or wakeboarding, skiing, kind of whatever you want to do with the family. So really excited to show you the interior, so why don't you join me aboard? All right, welcome aboard the all-new 210 Vantage. So I want to start here in the back of the boat. This Vantage does have, obviously, just like all Whalers, have the option for a fishing package. So this one does have a fishing package. So when I am fishing, I've got this nice big area back here to maybe stand up on. I've got rod holders right into here. So I kind of have that opportunity to do that back here. Now, when I want to cruise and you need more seats for people that are in your boat, I've got this nice unlocks right here. I've got a nice seat. I also have another one on the port side as well. So great little option to have this 21-foot Vantage. Then over here we have some more seating. Actually, first I'll show you right here. Just underneath here is the live well. So underneath that seat, you got a live well. Underneath this seat here is just some storage. And we have our backrest. So the backrest has 3 different positions. Right now you can face forward, and then I can bring it back and I can face aft, or I can actually bring it all the way down and it can be kind of a tanning bed area for yourself. So nice options here in the 210 Vantage. The next place I want to show you right here, in this particular one, this is where the head would be. We did not option it with a head on this particular model, but that is an option to have. So right now, this could be a great place for storage and different things that you're going to bring on the boat. It is also the place for storing the table in this boat. The leg and the top of the table are in there, and that can be put here in the back of the boat, or there is a spot in the bow as well for the table. So let's take a look at the helm. So we got a nice, very large helm. Again, this is a very Boston Whaler. Got the nice handle here. Looks very, very, very nice. Very easy to drive. Nice big screen here with the Simrad. Simrad came out with a whole new system for their software this year, so you'll see a whole new system in there. We do have JL audio throughout the boat, so there are speakers throughout the boat. Obviously, this is going to be Bluetooth, or you can do AM, FM, whatever you'd like. And then we just have some nice basic gauges right here. I also turned on the courtesy lights. So we've got courtesy lights that'll turn on and off throughout the boat. So you're coming in, maybe it's a little bit darker, you can pop those on and get yourself a little bit more light. Obviously with the 250, you're gonna get the DTS, or they call it digital throttle. So super smooth, very easy to maneuver around docks and lifts, or just getting up on plane very quickly. So the other thing I'll point out here, we got the wind door, so that can lock into place. You can shut the windshield. It's a little cooler. That's what's the great about the Vantage, is you can really collapse yourself in if it's a little bit cooler out. Then we have some storage in here, some nice deep storage. We've got the waste bucket. That is actually right here. So you can open that up, throw your waste down, and it'll go right into that bucket. What else is also underneath there? You can get to it from right here. So you'd open this up, and that can also be storage. You got the bucket in there. There's actually rod holders in there. And then we also have the holder for the ski pylon. So the ski pylon can be right here, and then you just insert it in the back, and then you can use it for, like I said before, any sort of wakeboarding, tubing, anything like that. It's a great kind of all-around boat. You want fish, you can set up for fishing. If you want to just hang out with the family and cruise, water sports, this is a great boat for all of it. So nice big bow, we got an anchor locker up front. Again, Boston Whaler 210 Vantage. This is the first one we've had here. Brand new boat from Boston Whaler. Fantastic. Very, very nice boat for our market here in Minnesota. So if you have any questions on it, as always, give us a call. Come on by, set up an appointment, whatever you want. We'd love to show it to you. And as always, please click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos that MarineMax puts out on a daily basis. Thank you.